Hi guys, here is your girl Gina of Friedberg, Germany, and today I'm in Maui, Hawaii, in Hana Road. It is known, it is a little bit, it is famous, yeah, because of this beautiful nature. So guys, enjoy the video. Look at this. On the way I have seen banana trees with bananas, and I have seen also small shops where they are selling sugarcane juice. That means also there is a lot of sugar canes here inside. And guys, I forgot, I have seen so many mango trees here with mangoes. So guys, look at this, how beautiful it is this place, yeah. Look, yeah, it is also not so easy to drive here. The road is very small, but yeah, my husband is a good driver. Look at this. Look, those are banana, yeah, those are full bananas there. And you can see that one was a big mango tree. Those are sugarcane. Wow, you see? Those are sugarcane. I have seen them. Have you seen that? Wow, look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. All these are mango, bananas, banana tree. I'm getting exploded. It is so beautiful here. Wow, Garden of Eden. There we are going in. Let's see what is here inside. Yeah, Garden of Eden. Yeah, I think there is something nice, beautiful, or something, I don't know, but let's see. Guys, I will send you the pictures and videos. Yeah, hope you enjoy them, and I hope to see you next time, guys. Yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Wow, bye bye.